Hello everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're all staying safe and well and enjoying your Earth Week. My name is Georgia from Halton Environmental Network, and today I'm going to show you how to make this upcycled birdhouse out of an old milk or juice carton. This is a really fun, crafty, hands-on activity to do with kids to learn about the importance of upcycling and reusing, as well as getting to spend some time outdoors this Earth Week. So without further ado, let's get started with the project. So we're going to start off with an empty milk or juice carton, and you want to make sure that this is washed and dried. And we're going to start off by drawing a little window at the front of our birdhouse. I'm going to do mine in Sharpie so you can see it really well. So now we're going to get the help of an adult to carefully cut out this window, and I'm using a utility knife to do that. I put some scrap paper down, and now you can just go ahead and paint this however you want. Once your design is dry, it's time to put some holes for the perch and to hang it up. And I tried to do that earlier before realizing that using a hole puncher would be a lot easier. So you can just do that. So we can put the perch through here. upright, and then we'll do one at the top so we can hang it. Okay, so for the perch you can use a wooden skewer. I'm going to use this old paintbrush for the sake of upcycling. There we go. And then you can just take some string. I'm going to use this yarn because this is just what I have lying around the house, and just string it through so we can hang this up. There you go. So once that's done, your birdhouse is ready to go, and you can fill the bottom with some birdseed. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this activity, and we would love to see how your birdhouses turned out. So feel free to snap a picture and post it to Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, and tag us, Halton Environmental Network, so we can see them. Also, make sure to check out the rest of the Earth Day activities we have going on this week because you don't want to miss them.